Like what? What? Don't talk to me. You don't see my makeup? My face? Wow. Yes. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video I'm so excited to show you guys, finally got my hands on the Shayla Colourpop collection. Y'all, as soon as I saw it, I was like, I've got to have it. And I saw her video with this eye makeup look. I was like, nope, I'm gonna get this palette because she killed this makeup look. All right, and I was like, nope, I'm gonna get the palette, and not only am I gonna get the palette, I'm gonna try to recreate the eye makeup look. I'm actually on my way out the door, but I was like, no, I have to give you guys a review because I didn't want to use the products without, you know, including you guys in it, so I had to unbox and do everything in a hurry, sort of, so I could give my initial thoughts and so I could just be out the door. But I got it done, and I'm so excited that it's done. Alright, so if you want to see exactly what I did to get this look, and also my initial review and unboxing of the Shayla Colourpop collection, keep on watching. Alright, so I've already done the base of my face, including foundation, concealer, contour, and also set everything. So now what I'm going to do is apply a little bit of Sacha Cosmetics on underneath my eye, so that once I apply the eyeshadows, if there's any fallouts, this can catch it and I could just wipe it away. Alright, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of this. And now I'm going to take Colourpop's No Filter Concealer just to prime my eyes. So I'm basically gonna do everything that Shayla did in her video. Like, I absolutely loved that that eyeshadow look. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna recreate it and try to follow exactly what she did because her makeup look was just bomb. That's what actually inspired me to get this this whole collection. So this is the eyeshadow palette. So beautiful. All right, and this is called Perception. All right, so let me open this up. I'm a sucker for packaging, y'all. Y'all already know. Bam. Isn't this pretty? And the names are also on the back of this palette as well. So pretty. I like the texture, I like the colors. Oh, she did a great job on this packaging. All right, let me open this up. Yes. Oh, it comes with a mirror. Y'all know how I feel about that. And yes, the names of all the colors are written in the palette underneath each shadow, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16 shadows. I like the neutrals here because this would be great for an everyday eye, and I love the colors that she have here. Blue, green, the olive green. This is just so pretty, this color right here. The mirror is a great size, so I'm just gonna take the wrap off. See, and that's why I appreciate like palettes that come with a mirror, because while I'm, you know, applying, I don't have to hunch over and do, no, I can just look in the mirror and apply my shadow. You know what I mean? A+ for packaging. So let's see how these shadows apply. So first I'm gonna apply the color Thick as my transition color. Using a Morphe E23 brush. I love this brush, y'all. To buff this as my transition color. First off, pigment. I already see it's off the chain, y'all. Yes. I'm experiencing a little bit of fallout, which is alright because I already have that Sacha Cosmetics powder to kind of catch it, you know, catch the fallout, but it's not too bad. This is so pretty. Next, I'm gonna take this color, this brown color called Played Out. Every palette needs a brown color like this, y'all. Every palette, okay? And I'm gonna take my Morphe MB25 just to use that as my crease color. Pigment, wow. Oh, I think I put too much. Yeesh, I was not expecting. Let me blend that. I was not expecting for that to, wow, to go on like that. Let me blend. This I won't make that same mistake. I only applied a little bit and I'll build that up as I see fit. Going back with that first brush and just blending. Next I'm gonna go back with my Colourpop concealer to cut my crease, okay? Just gonna take a flat brush like this, and this is the Morphe what brush is this? It's from some collection. So take a flat brush that looks like this, all right? So you could get, because I have hooded eyes, so I need a brush like this to apply my concealer for my cut crease so that I can shape it in the shape that I want it. Going to do the same with the other eye. So next I'm going to take this beautiful green color, and she named it IE. I'm going to apply that on the outer part of my lid and also the inner part, and I'm going to leave the center bare. Okay, so I can apply another shadow. So it's going to be like a halo cut crease type of look, okay? Wow. So I just applied it to the inner, and I'm going to apply that to the outer parts of my lid. Just trying to, just looking down at my mirror to make sure that it's even on both eyes. Well, try my best anyway. I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to go into Unbothered and place that in the center of my lids. This color looks like it has like gold, like a little bit of gold in it. Yeah. OMG. So pretty. I love it. I'm gonna go back with that other brush and just like make sure that those two colors are blending together. I want them to mesh together, you know what I mean? I don't want you to see, okay, this color, that color. No, I want everything to be married and mesh into one. There we go. Just blending out those edges. Alright, next I'm going to take this dark blue black eyeshadow here called Stallion. It looks dark blue, but it can also be black, if that makes sense, depending on lighting. So yeah, it's like a dark blue black eyeshadow right here. And I am going to put that on the V part of my eye. Yeah, it's coming across black. It's definitely black, which I like. So I'm going to apply that right at that cut right here, crease, and right there. Then I'm going to take a blending brush and just blend that. I'm just going to give it a little wing. Not too dramatic. Next I'm going to take my Rimmel London eyeliner and just line my lower lid. Yes, this is coming together. Now I'm going to take that Stallion color and just put that on top of the liner. Now I'm going to take the color Played Out and I'm going to smudge the bottom lid just to give you like a more smoky look, you know what I mean? Alright, I'm going to apply my lashes off camera. I'll be right back. So now I'm just going to wipe that excess powder off since I'm done with the eyes. Now on to highlights. She also came out with two highlighters. This is what they look like. Beautiful packaging. And the color Booming and Pose. I'm not sure which one I want to use yet. Let's see. Alright, this is Booming. So pretty. And let me open Pose. Which one? Should I do Pose or Booming? I'm gonna do both. Okay, so first I'm gonna put on Pose. Alright, and then I'm gonna put on Booming on top of that. I'm gonna layer on. I'm gonna be very extra today. Why not? Gonna put on Pose first. Mind you, these highlighters are like what, $6, $7? Unbelievable. Look at that. So Pose is a little darker than BOOMIN, but very, very pretty. If you're my complexion or darker, you will definitely appreciate this color. Look how pretty that is, y'all. I'm gonna take that right up underneath my brow bone. All right, so now I'm gonna take BOOMIN and layer that on top, and also the bridge of my nose and my Cupid's bow. Wow, that's why it's called BOOMIN. I see why it's called BOOMIN. These colors are perfect together, y'all. Like, this is so pretty, like I can't stop looking at myself. I can't say that I'm surprised that this collection is so like awesome because Shayla's awesome, but y'all, for the price, like, I don't know, I'm just sort of speechless, honestly. Now she also came out with 3 lipsticks. I am very excited for these. Like I said, the packaging across the board, like, this is so pretty. Look at this, y'all. I appreciate when people put the effort into not only the makeup product, but the packaging, the whole look. Mind-blowing, like, and at an affordable price. Come on. You know, it's funny, one of the lipstick names is called Come On Sis. Like, yeah, come on, like, what? Let's swatch this first. I'm not sure which lippy I'm gonna use yet, but let's swatch. This is like a mauvey pinky nude color. Very pretty. Next we have Quickie. All right, this is a very nude color. All right, let's swatch this. Very pretty. This is Quickie. And then we have Ooh. That's literally the name of the lipstick. Ooh, okay? Ooh, like she would do. Like, that's her, like, yeah. If you don't watch Shayla, then yeah. You won't get it. But yeah, this is, ooh. It's like a peachy nude. I think I'm gonna go with this color for this look. Yeah, I am. So I'm gonna go in with Colourpop's BFF3 to line my lips. Fill in the corners. Gonna apply ooh to the lips. Oh. Whoa. Okay. Caught me off guard. Oh. It's definitely peachy nude. It feels good. No smell to it really. Very creamy. You know what I'm doing? I'm gonna apply Quickie to the center. I'm done. Like, this is just, like, what? What? Don't talk to me. You don't see my makeup? My face? Wow. Yes. And sis even gave us a lip gloss, y'all. All right? This lip gloss is called Neat Freak, all right? Packaging, y'all. Just packaging. That's all I can say. Packaging. Shayla gets 100% A+++ for packaging alone. Like, this is how it's done, y'all. This is so pretty. I wish you guys could see this in person. I mean, really? Let me put this on. It's not tacky, which I love. You know when lip glosses be tacky and then you get that those ugh. That's why I'm not a lip gloss. But the way this is formulated, it's so good. And this is also affordable. I think like $6, $7, y'all. No scent to it. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna get dressed and, you know, give my final thoughts on this collection. All right, guys, and this is the final makeup look. Again, I am so, I don't want to say shocked. I'm not shocked that Shayla would come out with something like this, but I'm just like pleasantly satisfied. That's what it is, okay? The price point is amazing. It's super affordable. Colourpop has been doing their thing lately with their collaborations with women of color, and you guys are stepping it up, and you guys are really doing it and doing it well. Alright, so I give this whole line an A++. The only con to the eyeshadow palette is that you will experience some fallout. So I would suggest that you do your eye makeup first before you do your foundation, or you can apply your concealer underneath your eye and then do your eye look so that you can catch the fallout. That's about the only con. The highlighters were popping, the lipsticks were popping, the lip gloss was just amazing, and I'm not even a lip gloss girl, y'all, but I have no other complaints. Packaging A1, A+, everything was just really nice. So I'm happy to have these products and that I purchased these products, because I will be going to that palette more and more often, okay? If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it in the comment section. As usual, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting on Snapchat and Instagram, so make sure you follow me on all of my social media as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Until next time, bye.